To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music lasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it, I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy, I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers, true fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over, tell your face. Jump in the GS3, I got the chronic by the tree. So grams I had to measure, however living better now. Gucci sweater now, drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend. So grams I had to measure, however living better now. Gucci sweater now, drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend. Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interest are.
E os outros irmãos?
8 mulheres e 2 homens.
E os
Eu
outros?
tenho uma irmã com 94 anos,
E ela
a
mora
mais
onde?
velha, em Jacarepaguá.
Nossa, 94
É fresquinho, né,
anos.
seu Ivan? Só foge do calor, né?
Aqui, pra nós mesmo.
Chega aqui.
É muito frio, né?
É muito, deve ser muito úmido, né,
Tem
Marcos?
muitas árvores.
Muito
Olha,
úmido, né, o
há
calor.
uns
O frio
20
fica...
dias atrás,
Ah, é,
mais
você
ou
vê.
menos 11 horas, 11 e pouco, que ventania. Eu falei pra minha mulher, vamos sair de casa que é perigoso. Tem um jacateirão, a maioria de
Fica até
é
medo, né?
jacateirão. Ele dobrou assim e caiu lá pro lado de lá, graças a Deus. Senão se ele viesse pra cima da casa, acabava.
Não fui.
So grams I had to measure, however living better now. Gucci sweater now, drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend. So grams I had to measure, however living better now. Gucci sweater now.